Alright guys, well this is update number 34 on the 1937 Rat. What we're doing today is we're picking up right where we left off in the last video, and we're going to continue building the floor back. Now we've got a lot of things to work around between the upper 4-link hoop, the tail lights, the automated door opener. There's tons of stuff in the way that we've got to work around. So what I'm going to be doing today is taking my time building out these pieces and getting it the way I want. So let's get to it.
I love it in the morning, I love it in the evening, I love it in the daytime, nighttime, any other time is the right time. Gonna do tonight, got women's in the high place, got women's in the bluegill, got women's on the east side, the west side, and any other side is the best side. Gonna do tonight.
So what we're going to do now is build up this side to match that side. With the exact same thing over here so it looks symmetrical.
I like it on a Monday, I need it on a Tuesday, I love it on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Gonna do tonight, got women's in the high place, got women's in the bluegill, got women's on the east side, the west side, and any other side is the best side. Gonna do tonight, gonna do tonight. Gonna do tonight, gonna do tonight. All right.
Well guys, that's it for this weekend. I've got pretty much all the floor framing in. If you're wondering why I left this big hole up here, it's because I'm putting an access hatch. This thing's so low on the ground, I want to be able to get into it, get to my bags, get to the rear end, and be able to check on things or if there's a problem. So I know a lot of you guys are looking at it and going, why did he put so much metal in there? Well, the reason I did it is because I'm not 100% sure on how I'm actually going to sheet the floor. I might be going with thin metal and then doing a reclaimed wood floor. I might be going another way, so I haven't decided on yet. So by framing this way, no matter what I do, it's going to be strong enough. So I'd much rather have too much than not enough. All right. Well, you guys, I appreciate you watching. If you like this video, do me a favor, like and subscribe. And if you want to catch up on the build or any of my other stuff, there's a link over here. All right, guys, you have a great weekend.